Me say me is a big bad man, ugly bitch. Begrudge Donna for all our things. That's why me walk from my 4 foot them and yam ticks out the body. Me so big and worthless. Every day me sit down and I watch Donna and a bad man her and I grudge her for her things. The only thing me know for be is a damn hypocrite. Me not have no use to nothing.
Speak me mind family, them coward like dog. Me say the girl queen was she coward like dog. She run go take off the video, she run fast and one broke Usain Bolt record. Why the girl go hide the video? What's up, speak my mind family? She coward like dog. Bear. The girl coward like dog and she not coward like no dog like you. Cause you a pedigree, she a mongrel. But burn. What you can do for burn me? You idiot? You don't know me any more than I know you. I don't know what in this world you can do to burn me. You got to find out from somebody who really knows me. There is nothing in this world you can say to me to burn or hurt me. You don't know me any more than I know you. Remember that. Queen was. Life is a mission. It is not a competition. And when you gonna have competition, there's a fool if you want to have a competition with people who's far more superb than you in a life. Yeah, Queen was? Don't try if you have a competition with someone who is far more superb than you in a life. Queen was, don't match up yourself with me. Please and thanks. One Nation family, welcome to Wednesday evening video. Queen was, how what you run for? You no should then stand up. See if I not give you some. Where you run for? You no should then stand up. See if me not give you some. Where you run for? Queen was, where you run for? Queen was, so you're so brave. Are you up brave? You're not brave. You do video and then you come and you hide video talk about you take down video put in a members only. Queen was, who you have a support your channel? For talk about you put video in a members only. People, me see the video last night. Me a stroll and boom, she pop up on my timeline. And when me look at she, me see. And when me look, me see video and me listen to the video. Me I say, cho. Because I just done upload this morning video I want to see with Marcia. So I say I can't bother do 2 videos right now in the night. Yeah. I feel tired. So a man me do that. So I don't even record it or nothing at all. Because if it was a T-girl, I would record the video people. But because I'm a T-girl, I don't record it. Because I know T-girl fair style is to take down things when you put it up. I never expect that from she also. So when me go so boom now, this morning I wake up, I go up, I say Foreign Woman TV, and I go up on Foreign Woman TV and I hear she talk about it because I look, I see my face and I see headline and whatsoever. So I say, alright, let me see what I go on over Foreign Woman here. I realize say Foreign Woman I say she put the video in her members only. So I go so boom now and I did till my doors are back. So I go so and wake up now and thing, and when I look, I see that video yeah, she have done a video back stating why she hide for her video. No, I hide because I can't say nothing more. Because you don't have no support for say you put video in a members only because, and then again, what kind of members only you have? What kind of entertainment you give out here for you to have members only? Eh? If people come support you, if people now support your regular page, and members only, them are come support you, you know? Because if I now tell lie, members only, you have to pay for be a members only. So who are going to waste time spend their money, whether monthly or quarterly or yearly, being a members only for your channel? You hardly can gain views. And because you hardly can gain views, you're going like, you feel like, say, boy, you can take a pic from me anytime you want, like a knowings. Anytime you want knowings, you pick from me, And you say you can't manage me. And you come out here and you go say, I used to feel away, when I used to look and see my views and not getting any support. But when I look on people channel that has more subscribers than me, and they're not getting enough views either, and they're just getting about the same 1,000, 2,000, barely getting 3,000 views, like, I stop feel away and stuff like that. You continue to feel away. Because even in this video, how you speak and how you come out, you come chat, you can't say you feel away. And as me say, birds of a feather flock together, because you are showing the same signs and symptoms of a mass here. You understand? The same signs and symptoms of a mass here, you are showing it. Anyway, speak my mind, people, want to know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please stop, watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And run over to TikTok and follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and like the videos. I want speak my mind, see there? One speak my mind entertainment. I can't two. Me not see who out here so fi shut me up. Me tell you already, if you not even find out say me live in a gully or me a defecate in a gully, me nah running water in my yard, me have to go a roll catch water and pan and splash upon me. No care what you know about me, that now have nothing to do with me. If you hear say me mama, me pitney, me whatever I do nothing, that now have nothing to do with me. Me and me. Who know me can tell you, you can't tell me nothing to hurt me. Cause anything you tell me, just remember, as me say it one day, I will be coming back. Even harder than what you think. So you can't say nothing to hurt me. I have a few things I want to get across that I took from the video last night and make a note of where I want to get across first. So make I get here, so. Me hear you talk about me I tell lies say people reach out to me as a fast by your channel. Queenos, if things see you not pop up in my timeline, me no know. Or if somebody not brought me attention about something where you do or where you say, me no know. Use not one of the channel where we want a content and me say me check over your stuff feed. No. And I swear right here so right now. You say nobody knows something to me. I go and show it. I want to hide the person name. Alright. Whoa. What? I can come out of the glare, people. Alright. I just come out of the glare for showing these people. I hide the name of the person. If you look there, so up there, so people, that's in my comment section. Somebody said, SMM. Queen Bee is on her page saying you come out every day defending Dana and you never advertise her cake or her clothing sale on your page. You have to answer this. What is in this for me to answer anyway? Alright, let me find the next one. Find one next one. See our next one here, people. See it there? Cause me love have evidence, See it there? See the video part top there? Where the comments come in on, which is the video yesterday morning. SMM, I beg you, don't come out here, come answer the old Wasp, because I knowing she a look. Simple. Knowing she a look. Because here what me know, people. She know from she come out against me, it is a 95% chance of me coming out here, come answer her. So when she want a little relevancy, or she'll probably want a little back and forth challenge, which when me come out now and say this, whatever she want to come out back and say, that's what me done. Me not give her that type of knowings there. More than if she go along and she do things in general, overall, and me buck up in it and feel like talk about it, I will talk about it. That's simple. But the back and forth yes or no done because Me don't know which league she in, you know, people. But me know say a English Premier League me, you know. Me don't know which league you're in. And once me don't know which league you're in, me can't come make you size up with me. Cause you're not in my league. Them not in my league. I wish league them a play I must see. I wish league them a play I must see. Them not in my, you're not in my league. You idiot. So me now could I be a Vibes Cartel? I got match up with a Grindsman. Eh? Tell me the honest truth now. Grindsman one big song where him do. Give me the Benz Puno and make me go and drive it out. And all lost in Cambridge go and go cool out. Give me the Benz Puno and make me go and drive it out. And all lost in Cambridge go and go cool out. Vroom vroom. I'm biggest song that. This a man who have only a song what I'm biggest song that, but where's him now? For a man a promoter now I go want to put up me Vibes Cartel now with Grindsman. You know idiot? So me if I go toe to toe with you. Anyway, make me go move on. Alright. People are easy so you know, although me have to play a part or a chat foolishness. Because she chat so let me tell you why she hide the video, people. She chat so much crap in the video that I did have so much things to come and rebut. To expose her. These are a few things that me expose her with now. Because she said nobody not say nothing to me. She want to feel this important like me a search down her page. I am not. You're gonna say you don't like me that much. Me talk about you stole my you torment my page in my comment section. Yes, you torment my page. It is evident that you are tormented my page. Cause you never see me comment on your comment in your comment section yet. And you have done that numerous times in my comment section. You're gonna say if my commenters have said things pertaining to you, disrespecting you, you are going to answer. I when them say it to me in your comment, me not answer. Me come on my platform, come talk. Because me not recognize you that much you go in your comment section. I only go into people comment section who I recognize. Not you. You understand? Not saying you know have people out here where I recognize, but I just don't try to play a part in their comment section for one reason or the other. But like all you, where I don't like a bone in you. And me can't see your bone. But me just imagine you because at this moment you look like some skeleton. You look like some deformed skeleton. It's like me I imagine seeing the bone, so that's why I don't really like a bone in you. You understand? Watch this, people. This is my weekly roundup. She claimed to say, me nah get no views and this, cause the people them tired of me and one bag of something and Ray and the people them tired of the every day this and nobody now look at me now and that's why this and that, and when me nah get no views, me find she. Come on. You serious? So come on now, you claim to say all me is about is Marcia, Tina, Lorraine, this, that. Then come on. If me nah get no views now by calling Larry the Lizard name, Curly and T-Girl, I would really look to turn to you, Queen Was. Eh? Non-productive Was. I would really look to turn to you to get some views when you can't get no views yourself. You don't have a proper structured video where me can say yes. Eh? Come on. Woulda left Curly, Lorraine and T-Girl where me can't get no views off of it come at you. Shame on you, man. So all these things that she saying in the video where she hide or she put in a to delete or whatsoever or members only, because I know what kind of members only. These are so many things she have said in this video when would have come out and come beat her bad. So she realized that, so she look like she delete it because she not put none of the members only. And if she puts in a members only, that's the reason why she put it there. But me just sorry me never record it, but because me never have she as this type of person like T-Girl who will take down video. Me just say alright, I'm do it in the morning. Anyway, this is my weekly roundup for last week, people. This is somebody who says now I get no views. Alright, people tune in to you. Remember, you know, me's a small little YouTuber boy, you know. Small, just 2 year old. What me say? Me just 2 year old. 8.7K people tuned in to me last week. That's a lot. Alright. Likes 4,628. See it there? Shares 25 shares. Comment 983 comment. This is a channel, a small baby like channel, where you say now I get no views. Move on again. You want to see yes or no? Who catch it, but me not show it again. My people them say I must do them something here. So me not go do it. Me just today go show you how much me earned for last week alone. This is what you probably earned for the month. Who catch it. If you want, you can just still the video and look on the earning for last week alone. You understand? And this is what you might earn for the month. So all you have to talk to me, but now get no views. And build channel off a planker. Next thing. I'm going to show you the next thing, people. Because she come out here and the same thing what she has say of me, that's exactly what she are doing. Because she say, me build my page around planker. And she now build a page around a planker. And everything when me come out here, come talk about it's just surround Miss D, the one set of people name me depend. And all kind of things. And I want to look here so now and listen to this now. So alright, you see one set of name me call and me wanna do it by the way? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And please remember, go over TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Alright? People, she say I want to name me call and I one thing me talk about and whatsoever. Alright, this is her page. Alright? Dana go on prophecy. I don't even know the first one I say. I show you her title. I go off for the title. Dana go on prophecy, that one. Marcia Campbell, that two. These are the same names that I talk about. Tina Chin, 3. And this is down the line, you know. Then she have Your Majesty. Right? Then she come out and she say hypocrite bloggers. And everything you say, you know, is the same play field all with the pan. It's just that we me in a bigger league. I don't know which league she play. You understand? I don't know which league she play. Alright. Sophia Dunkley. The Everybody Saga, CMR, and Chrissy. She there, so she say legendary is very rare. And I just want to understand me, I say, you know, I want to tell me what difference than what me I do. She's doing on her page. She come out and she talk about the shades of pink. Gracie and Dana. Ashanti again. Planka Nation. Is some video that me gone. Dana go. Dana again. Ed Teacher K. Dana again. Ed Teacher K. Judas Bannock. Whatsoever. Miss Joanna and Dana. Planka Nation. See them there, no people. Landlord. Lady VHTK. Dana, come here. R.I.P. Gracie. This I must say when our friend must say bury Gracie. And the list goes on and on. Head Teacher K, Ashanti, Maxine and Dana, Gracie, the press, Chris, Your Majesty, Dana, Lawton. Where this Gracie again, she go ping. That I went must in a time with the railroad ping, Dana. So, I want you tell me now, what difference they on your page than what me I do? It's just that I can construct a video far way better than you. That come across in social media, whether people are say planka, flanker, or sanka. Can sit in and understand what I'm saying and what I'm coming from, and even understand when I'm being jovial, you know, just being humorous in my videos, people can understand and see what I am saying and listen to what I am saying. Unlike you, they all over the place with your voice, so it seems like something respond your lungs are strained. You understand? Because it seems like you're born with something respond for your lungs. We don't know how to respond for your lungs. It look like one of your ribs too big. And that's why you catch that way you saw. So it's like the ribs, if you catch up, you have your straight, it like it brought down. So it respond your lungs, make you talk so. So even your annoying sound alone, people afraid to listen to you. You're talking about you're getting thousands and 2,000 views and wait. And you don't build a channel off a planker. Most of the time the planker them are watch you same way. And that's why them can't able to come tell me, say, you over there call up my name. Because as we all know, this is the plankers. Whether fake, real, or genuine, these are this is the way of the planker. From you go so boom and you write up Dana name or you write up certain name with them support, they're going to come on your page because they want to hear what you're talking about. So you automatically go and get that views. Because it's not like them can watch you and take back the views from you. The only thing them can do is like your video and take back the like. That's the only thing them can take back. Them only can take back subscription and them only can take back likes. And probably comment. Them can delete comment. But one thing them can delete, one thing them can take back is the views. They cannot take back views. When them can take back likes, comment and subscription, them can't take back views. So basically from them come by your channel. If 3,000 planker come by your channel, come watch now, you get 3,000 views. That no mean say these people are supporters of you, as you said earlier, because you declare the people can whatsoever have much subscribers and it still don't have any support where they're getting views, because just the people with 20, 30,000 and barely I get 3,000 views. Well, I'm going to talk about that already, because you get subscription from all angles. You get subscription from people who have now watch YouTube. You just beg them for subscribe or a friend, beg them for subscribe or a friend, take them phone and subscribe or you take them. But them is not somebody who watch YouTube. And majority of people when they're just starting a channel, that's how they go about. You introduce people to your channel when they even now watch your channel. Because you want to build your subscription to reach that minimum amount that required by YouTube. It's after you get that recognition by, not recognition, it's after you get that qualification to monetize your channel and stuff, and then the content that you start to bring, people gravitate to your channel and your subscription start to build based on what you are delivering. You understand? But most of your early days subscribers, most time it's not people who do watch your channel or watch even YouTube. Anyway, people, there's a lot more, but two should take down the video. I don't remember, I just did make little documentation of these two little things to highlight. So I'm now going to play our fresh video that she do this morning explaining why she removed the video. So make her get into the video. Oh wait then, let me see me find first the people. Oh, the video where me never talk about the front video are the same video where me want to play, you know. So no listen people, no listen. Good morning. Look at this, listen to this little jackass here. This chimpanzee here.
So guys, as you can see, I did make a
what bunny is when me talk how much you hate the woman for no reason at all.
Speak your mind. I made a response video for him, and in that video I kind of debunked a lot of the foolishness that he was talking about in his video towards me. The statements that he made about, you know, Miss D doesn't need any advertisement and she don't need no promotion of her cakes. And
I mean, now I take it back. 99 don't need no promotion of her cakes. We all know people sitting and waiting for the season. And once all she need to do is come out and say the season start, and that's it. All she have to do, if there's any price changes, she post that and announce that on her platform, or any adjustment or any new cakes. That's all she have to do. And that is it for the season for her. And we all know that anybody sensible hear what me I say can agree to what me I say. This is a season where people sit and waiting on. You're going to talk about what about new customers and whatsoever. Yes, in any business, everybody want a new customer. But the point is, Miss D Cake sells for herself. It's just like a good trade man. Him come and him build a house here. Once the house build and build good, a man will pass, a friend of mine come and see the work and like the work, him go and ask me who build that, me recommend him. So it's like what you are doing, what you are doing sells itself. Because you do it to the best of your ability, so people come see it, like it. Or who build a house here, me recommend you. Boom, you get house bill. Him recommend you again to somebody else. So your work, your effort sells itself. And me don't know how done so no is one can't understand when people talk about certain things away from the level of how you know it only. You have to compare Kentucky. You know that Kentucky don't even have to advertise. But for a larger business than Miss D business, who is in like a worldwide settings with other competitors, they want to keep the ball there. But if you even check the amount of advertisement that KFC have for the year, it's not what probably Popeyes have, especially in Jamaica. I wonder if you not follow me. Because KFC is already a well established place internationally. Pepsi now have to advertise. Pepsi is a worldwide soda, an international soda, but they still do advertise. Because what? Big multi-million billion-dollar company. Dana is just an individual business person who people sit and wait for this time of the year. Put the season, the same thing. Alright. Dana I go bake pudding say come right after the Easter. You know what people sit down and wait for pudding for the past year and a half? And all she have to do during this cake season, boy, I go bake pudding Easter, you know. And when after the Easter, and when after the Easter come, all Dana need to do, you know, is just put out the date, you know, and that's it. And look how long she not bake pudding. So this is what I am trying to say to you. Dana business already sell itself because of the customer base where she have. The support base where she have where our platform is concerned. You have 3/4 Dana supporters sitting down and waiting for the next business move, the next business venture. And this is what I want you to understand. I can't bother go upon that because I can't even go upon Dana page and show you. Dana cake season start when? Last week or week before last. And if you go upon Dana page right now, how much time she posts her cake flyer? How much time? When you look, she posts. The most she do is post the people them who are self-here. Like Shelly Everclean, Nana Lynn, you know. Where the people them names sitting in Jamaica and then place the web. People do order their cakes from. Those are the people them who ship. But she not promote fear flyer literally on her page like that. Go and look on it. Because she already know her business has sell itself. When she look in her order book, she don't even have hand for order. Why you think she have to bleach and bake? So at night time. And this is what I am trying to get across to you. You are going to say me not post nothing for Dana. I already show you. There is so much things me post for Dana. As I say, I might not post the cake thing because, as I say, when cake season, the amount of people really are post it. And you see, your community the vast amount of people who will come across a video for you and see something or hear something that you have said is not the same amount of persons come across your community when you post in there. Check the levels. Do the maths. And it's not hard to do if you even can't do maths. So, I feel in a different sense about Dana Kate no really need to promote or so, you know. And then so much people do not do it there. But at the same time, me doing a video, I still come out and I will say, well, cake season start, you know. But when I look out for the fake cake, that's promotion. Shades of shades of pink. I did that into a video. Instead I put, and I think I did actually post a flyer also. I think I post a flyer and I also do it into a video. It was part of my intro into a video. Shades of pink. I always try to do my little thing different. I don't like to be like nobody from me I grow or some stay. If me think say me I gonna use blue paint on the wall over there so people. Me never know say the man over there so I gonna use blue paint. But you see, if him once put up that blue paint there before me change my blue paint. Because what? Me don't want him feel like me I follow him. Remember, you know, it was in my thought. It's my idea to put blue paint on my wall. This man never knows me have the idea there. But at the same time, him put it on him wall first. Me now gonna put it on my wall again, you know. Because me don't want him feel like say, him me follow, some me stay. And this is why when me used to do the live on Thursday and Sunday night, I used to do it on a Thursday night. And then the people them say, them want a festive live. I'm say, alright, me now gonna mix the Thursday live, which is a more, you know, conscious type of live. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose a day to do the festive live. Where you don't know the people them want in all ages want a little festivity in a decent way. So I choose to do it on a Sunday. And I started to do live on the Life is a Mission channel. And watch it. I could have go live on my main channel, you know. I switch on a channel, I choose to go live on Life is a Mission. How much I want to have on a main channel? And nothing to do on the main channel. All like you. Nothing to do your main channel where you can't go live. And you choose to go live on your backup channel. Where you know say the numbers is less than your main channel. This is show you some in the outers of a cloud. I do things that suit me. I do things that I feel pleased with. I do things for clout. I do things to prove nothing to nobody. This is me. But as me say, you don't know me any then I know you. You have to know me. If you really know who me is. And know how me operate. Me no show off. Me no bossy. Me just live within my life. Or me love it. Living within me means, yes, I me this. Me no do nothing for prove to nobody. If me have to go to the road and me tear up pants or me stretch out Ganzi, or some me I go out there. If me have to put on my little piece of dirty slipper seat here, if me say 2 subscribers come link me and them out there so, and them then near me gate, me now run go in the back of my yard or go in at my bathroom for go quick and wash off and wash face and nothing at all, and me I try to hide my ear and me I pull out for go comb. You have to come see me in my dirty slippers. If it's a case where we set up a arrangement to meet each other, I'm not going to approach you this way. But at the same time, if you come on and see me, I just so you go see me, as me tell you every day, me not just anticipate up. I am thinking about my personal business in making my coins. And that is what I do best. That's where all my interest is. Because as me say, me no want to have a ton cruff like no found or no friend. Oh.
You know, like I said, all businesses, you know, they do promotion. So that was such a lame excuse for him not been promoting her on his page. And
So me promote Dana now. Me put up a flyer for Dana now because me want to prove a point. Say, yes, me love Dana. That is it. That's why most women get tricked in her life, you know. Yeah, man. That's why most women get tricked in her life. Because you see the simple man when I call her every day and say, oh baby, you okay? You eat from morning, do you have lunch yet? Oh, you come from work, baby? Oh, it's work today. And him now send you a rose like all every month and come a workplace or send you a gift come a workplace. You don't rate them man, they don't have to tell them man they don't love you. Because them not do that. But that the real man that love you, that is not for him philosophy. For him philosophy is love you from your heart, from the heart. Not to love you with material things. Not to love you with proving say, oh, he cares about you. You eat already, baby? How is work today? You from work as yet? Okay. Yeah. Him love you from him heart. But you no see them type of love there. A material love you no see. What me say? Most of you a material love you no see. If you no see material things, material happenings, the person will love you no. And this is what you try to tell me now. Because I don't post Dana flyer, which me posting Dana flyer, cake flyer, which this is a season that this woman have every year, we sell off. As me say, it no need. You understand? All she need to do, announce the day when baking start. You are going to tell me, say, me no love Dana. As me say, me can go as far back from my Facebook page 2 years ago when me just know Dana. When me no know nothing about YouTube or nothing at all. And the emotion of me go through a big up Auntie Dana upon my friend live. Them time I didn't even know her like that. But just seeing her upon rapper crapper. I almost break down in her tears. Emotion. Many nights me I watch her video them. Many nights in a corona as I stand up here so Father God if I lie me I tell her on the green tree. Many nights me I watch Dana video them and me just know Dana. Me emotional. My throat dry, my chest start tie up on me, eye water actually I run. Enough night it run, enough night I hold it back because he's not a man who like to cry. And that is why when them say when you feel like you want to cry, whether you're hurt by something or whatsoever, you understand? You let it out because if you don't let it out, your chest have a way of getting tight pan you, your throat going to get dry. Many nights. So who is you to come tell me about clout and no love Dana? When me come in a phone, come see this woman doing, me love it from my heart. From my heart. Oh no, a cloud chaser. Oh no, a cloud chaser. So you can't tell me about nothing. I mean, I need to prove nothing to you. If me not post no flyer, if I keep busy, me just not post no flyer. That is a seasonal business. We're already seasoning as customer head and supporters head. If she have like the brunch them and them something they know and them look something they keep on her birthday, which is a one-off thing. And me want to post and talk about it at the same time because me always talk about it, but me might not post it. The cake, as me say. But there's so many other things me post. Dana birthday, me big up Dana and post Dana and caption it. You understand? Strength of a woman when she up on all her balcony. This is love me and show love. Not just prove say me I promote her cake business. Her birthday and she up on top of her balcony. And me pick out a picture and me post now one complete top. And me say strength of a woman when she stand up so up on top of the balcony. That is love. Not you want to post a cake flyer for people run and say, Lord, I promote Dana business. That is cloud chasing for you, person like you. When no deep down in you don't like the woman. You have admit that. Say you don't like her. So when you come on a post and you admit it and then still go beyond after you admit that to her face to face and say you get to know the woman know and see the difference and where. You never have her this way when you hate on her. And you go back to do so much things after that. But in between all that, you still are post to woman flyers. So tell me if people like Uno real. Tell me if people like Uno no cloud chaser. And that you want me come do? No, me real. I mean I need you to know if me real. Father God know me real. Dana herself she say me real. The last time we book up a Price Mart. After we come out a Price Mart, Dana they asked me which part she can get some ice because it was her mother's birthday. She go up a country. I'm tell her I say one place over across one plaza there so in front of Price Mart where we buy icicle and someone cream place, them sell ice and she go over there. I didn't even know she go over there because she get you out a Price Mart before me. And after me go over there and me see her and Fresh and who watch the video, see the video. Fresh and Paula go buy the ice and something. And Dana call me because she didn't car park a turn on me and I did that reason. And she said, me thank you for love me from your heart. So you see, once Dana said me love her from her heart, Father God knows me love her from my heart. And most of the plank of them see my genuinity where 99 is concerned. Who is you? Garbage? Me no work at solid waste. Me no work with NSAA. Those are people who deal with garbage. Me no need to mingle with garbage. And that's exactly what you are. Oh.
I honestly do think, and I honestly do know, when I made the statement in my, on my Facebook page, right, concerning him, I think it hit home for him. Honestly, I think it hit home for him. And I think that's what really hurts him when
You don't know me, man.
Me yesterday with these lame excuses of
all of who in the comment when know me, tell this woman that she a chat bullshit now. There's nothing she can tell me if it hurt me. Nothing. Yeah, idiot.
But anyway, yes, I made a long video and I just went on and debunked a lot of things he was saying and I said a few things.
You said a bag of garbage. That's why you hide the video.
And, I decided to go ahead and just put it for members only.
For what reason? You make anything from it?
But, this back and forth with illiterate people or this back and forth with people that...
You have a right because illiterate, you know illiterate, because you are illiterate. You are dunce. You understand? Because in that video where you hide are the best thing you ever do. Because I'm going to show people how illiterate and dunce you is. Because when me done point out some things where you are saying in that video, it's just because some of them I remember them off and now. And as you know, me like to play the videos, make you understand what these people are saying. Then me break it down to you. There's so much garbage like yourself in that video. You understand? There is so much garbage in that video that you have spoken about. When I make no sense at all. When me a comfy, hey, me say me can't wait to see morning light, That's the best thing you ever do.
Especially grown ASS men, like seriously, like I'm not gonna go back and forth with you like you're a woman, you know what I'm saying? Like it just didn't make sense to me, honestly. It was just gonna put, be more content for him, right? Because that's what he does with my videos, right? He take them and he use them as content.
Your videos is just to expose you. When I do a video for you or pan you, it's not like I am even thinking of earning even $5 from YouTube for that video. Because as me say, you're not showing no weight. You not move the scale needle. And this is why in the video where you claim to say, when me talk about Lorraine and T-Gal and Curly and the people them get tired of me and not watching me anymore and all those stuff, me choose to come at you. So what are you saying? If me talk about those 3 persons and nobody now watch me, why would I choose to come at you? Would I forgot look somebody else? Would I forgot George Leggy? Would I forgot George Your Majesty? And there's some would I figure people are going to give me even more views than the 3 where you talk about. What me say? Oh, me forgot left T-Gal, Curly, Lorraine, if you come at you must be mad. So what you trying to say? You're more relevant or you are giving more views and people are going to want to hear about you more? Check my video them. Go and go check all of the videos I do about you. Go and go check all of the videos I do about you. And match them with them 3 persons there. You must be mad. Upstage me have to go. Me have to go for Chris and me have to go for Leggy. What me say? Leggy and Chris me have to go for. Me can't demote myself go for you. Left T-girl Curly and Lorraine and come to you. Bottom of the class. You must be mad. Would have to go further up in a class now and go for Leggy and Chris. Move. So you see what me tell you, say I be a bullshit she a chat. And I'm more than this she chatting on the video where she hide her dash way.
You know, obviously, like I said in the first video, I guess people or his audience is getting sick and tired of hearing the same names over and over and over, and it's kind of
Honestly, me just show no one Lisa video. I the same thing she had up on her page. So tell me, son of jealousy.
People that he jones out, same people that he put up ugly pictures of them, just same old, same old. You
talk about the one where you're getting at this one, yeah.
Change year after year, so I'm like, you know what? I'm not even.
Those are probably the things that you're jealous about, you know. You know, because you yourself, despite complaining about what I do, when I do, you do get a laugh. When I do, if you're sad, you cheer up. Give me my props, man. Because this is what I am about. Not care how serious the video is, me try to make it jovial. Not care how serious the video is, me try to give people a laugh. For sure, you say me not take social media personal. When me come off of social media, me done. You know it's a skeptic time me have when time me come onto social media. Watch it. All my morning videos done from the night before. You know the reason why? That's when I have time to do it. Because the rest of my day, me now make sleep. That get the better of my sleeping time. 2, to make my money, it's evening. Me now make social media get the better of my making my cash in my hand. Making cash over here, me have to wait for YouTube. It go to 2, 3, 4 hand, because when YouTube send it, I have to go through the bank, then it come to me. So I want my raw cash in my hand. So I put my raw business in front. Them time of evening, yeah, like in the after 2 when I pick up my friend little son and come, I have like an hour and a half for my hand. Sometimes when I do the video them for the evening, I barely have time to upload them. And this is the reason why most of the evening videos, people, don't see no thumbnail for them. You just see me rap on the screen. Because I don't have no time to deal with the thumbnail. You understand what I say? That's why most of the evening video don't have no thumbnail. So for sure you say, social media is not like when me I say, boy, yeah, me take it this serious like someone, you know. Oh.
Go back and forth with this man. I have no.
As me say every day, me want the day come and me reach the stage where me can retire 3 years from now and say a social media straight. Because you're comfortable, but that I go hard. Because I like have my raw cash in my hand.
But anyway, guys, so I'm on my way home from work finally.
Boy, you just take it from the public. Delete it, go delete it. Put it up back if you're bad. Make me come dissect it and show you.
I mean, I know it's like a broken record that we're all saying it, but not all of us actually mean it. I mean it. I work 2 jobs, 2 full-time jobs as it is, because I have a goal that I want to meet, and I'm going to meet that goal, right? So anyways, I'm on my way home, and I just said, like, you know what? Let me just.
You see, if you take some more time and sit down and probably try to build your page, just be yourself and build your page instead of want to side with people here, there, and everywhere. Probably you wouldn't have to work 2 full-time jobs, you know. Yeah. Probably you don't have to work. Probably you could have do 1 and devote the rest of time to social media. Yeah. Because people, me can't tell you social media can pay you a hefty sum. Once you garner the support, build your channel and garner the support, it can. How long it will stay for based on what type of content you are carrying, I can't say. But all you got to do, make use while the sun shine. Simple as that. Don't wait till rain or fall, you want to go wash your clothes them. And you know you don't know if you hang them up. You understand? Wash your clothes them while sun a shine so them can get it dry and take up. So you don't have to hang them up in a bathroom and sideline and this and then moldy where them have to go wash out back. Make ace while the sun shine. So you see whatever during the time you're there on top or you're there somewhere in the middle and you earn something from YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or Insta. Whichever you make your money from social media. Remember, make use of it. So when the day come when you're not shine no more, because we know they have to shine forever, you know. We know they have to shine forever, you know. There was a generation before me who not shine now. And there was a generation before that generation who not shine now. You might just fall off at some point. Might still have the channel, but the support base that you used to get before might not there anymore because the content where you carry not show no weight no more. The content where you carry, people move on to different content where them see more interest in. There are so many things. So you make ace while the sun shine. So if me have to work 2 jobs right now, me in a position where me could have drop one and do YouTube. Yeah. Me, if me in a position like you, me could have drop one of my job right now and just do one and use the rest of the time to do YouTube. It's just because when people them say don't show nothing out here and don't prove nothing to nobody, especially like you. It's me that show you. Oh.
Say a few things real quick. Now, at first I used to get, or I used to feel some kind of way, right? When people like speak your mind and, others say, oh, your channel not going nowhere, it's not growing, look how long you're blogging and you only have X amount of subscribers, nobody now watch you, right? And just like a kid being teased at school, I used to feel some kind of way, right? Even though me come on, me big, I'm a bull, I'm hey, so what, But yeah, I be feeling some kind of way, right? Because I thought numbers matter, and I thought like, when people don't support you, it means that they're not enjoying your content, right? So I used to take it like, I used to take it kind of personal, and I'm like, okay. But then I realized...
Oh no, listener, you know. Because when me hear all this, what she saying, this only lead me to believe, say, it's all about jealousy. The progress that I have in social media. Because she claimed to say, alright, her channel is from 2010, I think. If I'm not lying. 2010, which is 14 years ago. My channel is from 2022. I don't know if you did a black comment, I know you from nowhere until you're presumptuous and come in my comment section. And that's how me know you. And that's how me and you jump off. And from then until now, you were ahead of me. No, from them time that you were ahead of me. And from then until now, I am way ahead of you. Even when I was slowly moving, you did try to match up with me. And I said, hey, and I tried, compare with me. Until me just pull away from you. And separate you. You understand? And from then, it's like you just have this jealousy. Remember, you coming at me comment first. As you continue to do. I have never been in your comment. If me see you say something, me come on my channel, come talk about it. Me now come in your comment. Anything me see nobody say about me when me want to talk, me now go in them comment, go talk about me and type against it. Me come on my platform, come talk. Because me no want to give a recognition there. And up to recently in my comment section. Up to recently, you're in my comment section, lady.
As I look around social media, and I'll be checking out some major people's page, like people with, I think I mentioned this.
That's a warrior, man. How stagnant you is, you now see your way out.
With 40,000 subscribers, 30,000, 20-something thousand, 80,000. and 12,000, you know, those big numbers, you know, 10,000 subscribers. And I check out their pages and I say, you know what, Queen Bee, kind of go through their videos and look at their numbers. Like, what kind of viewing are they getting? What their numbers on their, um, you know, like look at their views, you know, when it comes to certain videos or whatever. And when I look at their views, I see a lot of their videos is only like 1,000 views or 2,000 views. Maybe the max of...
This is how she tried to compare me back then. It's how she do. She got dig up people page. For sure, I said this is what is worrying this woman. The recognition where she are getting on social media. She don't feel to herself she are getting that support that she needed or what she supposed to get. A data warrior. Just listen her, you know. That is what worrying her. Me could I ever go do this now? It's not like you're on a general survey. You're on a survey based on your channel. If it is okay for you with the views where you get. So this is what is worrying you. One of the worst thing you could have said though, me leave Lori and Curly and T-Gal when the people them tired of me calling them name and come call your name.
As I'm getting on my videos, because if you look at my videos, a lot of my videos, I do get at least over 1,000 views on it, right? And I'm not even,
all of the video them what you do, where you get one, say 1,005 up views. It have to involve the same woman where you claim to send me a involve. In all of my videos. Against the so-called enemies as you say. Because you have them as so-called. They are. You have them as so-called because you were pledging allegiance to them. You were a part of their allied. At different times. All the rest of video them where you do normal. So when you come talk to me, pick the beam out of your eye first. Ease up your ribs off of your lungs. So you can talk more fluently. And come out of that type of stifling voice the way you have. And many people out here can't understand what you're saying. Because I say it's like one of your ribs drop down on your lungs. So you're not get to have the proper oxygen to breathe. So when you talk, it's like, you know?
3,000 subscribers, right? 2.9 something subscribers. And I only been doing the serious blogging, even though you know who came out and tell a lie that I've been blogging for years. No, I created a YouTube page years ago, but I was not blogging until only about 2 years ago or 1.5 years ago before I actually start blogging. That's why you...
No, 1.5 years ago. 2 years ago, 3 years ago. Because you're out here before me. Me come out here, come see you. Because when you go at me in that video, I mean, check your page, you were out here before me. Videos on top of videos. You're the out here from 2013, I get problem. With the same voices for change. Remember you name Jennifer Baran, you know? Or your name Carl, you know? And that was from 2013. You understand? So you're out here in the mix-up and the passa from day one. So to me, just coming at the mix-up and passa, and me travel the right road. You have a problem with it because the road that me travel are the progressive road. So you are question my loyalty to the side of the road. Me no need you for question it. Me know how loyal me is. Father God know how loyal me is. And the same woman who you said me not loyal to, she have seen me loyal. She said me love her for free. So true. I have never get not even a drink of water from 99. When I've been to 99, I don't remember if it's the first time when I've been there and she recognized me. I think it was the first time. I was offered a triple blend by a supporter. Give him a triple blend, them deserve it. Right? A triple blend was paid for by a supporter. Who the person is, or somebody with them know say yes, you send the money or pay for it. Because when me did the attack and me sing on a Beanie Man song, I think of the same song when you see me have as a inch up on the Life is a Mission channel. Me never grab a chain and me never pick a wallet. Never see a old man and go rob it. Everything me have, me say me work hard for it. So why dirty nigga bad mind me for it? Every time me see me out the road and me a flash, have me one a glass. Girl them pretty and so who no like me style tell a boy if it chuck off cars. Them a watch everything when me a wear and no see the hard work when me put in a me career. Yes man. That song them me sing. And me fit in Dana name night and something. And the person, give me a triple blend. That's the only thing me ever get. I buy me cake. So I love her for free. Free. Because beer. Nothing I go on, man. So my dog, watch her. Watch my dog. Him just jump up on me. Him not like when I talk loud. Him just feel like me in a danger. Anytime I start talk loud, beer just appear. If him don't get this, him come closer to me and him a jump up on me. All my dog love me. Who love you? Gully back brother use you and dump you, him never love you. I use gully back brother use you and dump you, him never love you. May I play one more piece of her and done, cause this wasn't about she.
Never heard of me because I was not
like that.
It, right? I just had a regular YouTube page, and it was not named.
Just make sure you done the little party, I'm done with that.
So no, I seriously started blogging about a year and a half now, right? And I'm thinking to myself that I don't even have close to 3,000. Well, I do have close to 3,000 subscribers, but you know, they're getting about the same amount of views on their videos. Like I look at.
But that's what I don't understand. What is our fear problem?
1.4, 2.2. I never seen
that's why them
10,000
chase the cloud. Cloud chaser.
I don't see that kind of
views on them something that we them are worried about.
Again, like I said, they have way more subscribers than I do. So it makes me say, okay, Queen Bee, you ought to be proud of yourself, you know, because you're not under the dictation of anybody. Your page is not being supported by, you know, the Planketarians or whoever the major players out here. You're not being supported by them, but yet you can still, you know, manage to get at least almost 3,000 subscribers.
And that is what you wanted. But truth now work for you. You're jealous of me because basically me and you come on the scene almost the same time, although you were out here before me. And that's why you're jealous of me, you know? And that's why you come at me all the while. Because you want to show me up as way me get. If you understand. You want to show me up to Dana and the Planka Nation and for them stop support me. If you come keen, you're all lean face. Anyway, me not feel she work me if you make sure 1 hour ad. Yeah, what? Speak my mind, people. Bless upon yourself. Because you know, so if she did have the video out there from where she hide, probably I want like a 40 minutes video would I do. But to me, I feel try remember about the things that she say in the video if you talk about it. Make the video go so long. I don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. I run over TikTok, go follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Like the video them also. The cash up is there, $ Charms and Chen. Your gift for me is a gift, give back to the needy. And remember, Life with Gabby and Chevy, them finally want 100 now. Them up on 900 the last time I look. If we continue to give them 2 and 1 day, by Christmas into the new year, them will reach 100. And no fun, no subscribe. Go and go subscribe. And remember, support Charms and Trends business. Charms _and_ Trends and Instagram. Drop in the DM. Anything you see customize, you get it. It's a season for giving gift. Give a special gift. Bless upon yourself. I'm out.